Jamaica is more than just beautiful beaches. It's a full cultural experience. From hidden natural gems to world-famous nightlife, historic landmarks, and unforgettable vibes, Jamaica has something for every kind of traveler. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 must-see attractions and things to do while visiting Jamaica, including some iconic spots and a few experiences you won't want to miss. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to All About Jamaica, and comment below which one you'd want to visit first. Let's get into it. We're starting with the Blue Hole, also known as Island Gully Falls, located just outside Ocho Rios. This natural attraction is known for its deep blue pools, waterfalls, rope swings, and cliff jumps. It's perfect for adventurous travelers who want to swim, jump, and explore something more rugged and natural. The Blue Hole is refreshing, scenic, and a great alternative to more crowded attractions. Located in Kingston, the Bob Marley Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in music, culture, and Jamaican history. This was once Bob Marley's home and recording studio, and today it offers a powerful look into his life, legacy, and global influence. You'll see personal artifacts, learn about his journey, and understand how reggae became a worldwide movement. If you love reggae music, sound system culture, and authentic Jamaican nightlife, Dubwise in Kingston is a must. Dubwise is a cultural hub for reggae, dub, and roots music, attracting selectors, artists, and music lovers from around the world. This isn't a tourist show. It's the real thing. If you want to experience reggae the way it's meant to be heard and felt, Dubwise delivers that raw, authentic vibe. One of Jamaica's most iconic attractions, Dunn's River Falls is a cascading waterfall that flows directly into the Caribbean Sea. Visitors can climb the falls with the guidance of experienced locals, moving through cool pools and limestone steps. It's fun, interactive, and suitable for most fitness levels. This is a classic Jamaican experience, especially for first-time visitors. Located in Hanover, Chukka Outpost is one of the best places in Jamaica if you want multiple experiences in one location. At Chukka, you can do everything from horseback riding, ATV, and ziplining adventures. To relaxing on the beach, and even hopping on a catamaran cruise with some of the best rum punch on the island. There is truly so much to do at Chukka Outpost, making it perfect for groups, couples, and anyone who wants adventure and relaxation all in one day. For marijuana lovers or those who are cannabis curious, Kaya Herb House offers a legal, educational, and relaxed experience. Visitors can learn about Jamaica's cannabis culture, explore herb products, and enjoy a laid-back atmosphere that reflects the island's natural and spiritual connection to the plant. It's a unique stop that blends culture, education, and relaxation. One of Jamaica's most peaceful experiences is bamboo rafting on the Martha Brae River. As your raft glides along calm waters surrounded by lush greenery, your guide shares stories and history of the area. Some tours even include limestone foot massages during the ride. This is a slow, scenic, and very romantic experience, perfect for unwinding. Rick's Café in Negril is one of Jamaica's most famous spots. Known for its dramatic cliffside views, live music, and unforgettable sunsets, Rick's is also famous for cliff diving. Even if you don't jump, watching others dive as the sun sets over the ocean is an iconic Jamaican moment. This is a must-visit for vibes, views, and energy. Located in Kingston, Devon House is one of Jamaica's most important historical landmarks. The mansion offers guided tours that dive into Jamaica's colonial history, architecture, and elite society of the past. After the tour, visitors can enjoy Devon House Ice Cream, one of the most famous ice cream spots in Jamaica, along with restaurants and shops on the property. It's history, culture, and treats all in one place. Coming in at number 1 is Frenchman's Cove in Portland, one of the most beautiful and unique beaches in Jamaica. What makes Frenchman's Cove special is where a freshwater river meets the ocean, allowing you to swim in cool river water and warm seawater in the same place. Surrounded by lush greenery and cliffs, it feels peaceful, private, and untouched, making it the perfect example of Jamaica's natural beauty. From cultural hubs in Kingston to hidden beaches in Portland and adventure-filled experiences across the island, Jamaica truly offers something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to All About Jamaica for weekly videos on Jamaican culture, travel, music, and history. Comment below. Which of these spots would you visit first?